We'd like to talk today about the 2-for-1 punch system from Wilson Tool for Trumpf style punches. First, I want to quickly review the traditional Trumpf style punch system, which is a punch like this with no key on it at all. This happens to be the size 1 punch. There is also a size 2 punch, which is the larger version. This part of the punch is exactly the same, it's just the tip that's larger. With this style of punch, you need a separate collar, which is what has the key on it. So the collar is installed on the punch, and that needs to be rotated and the collar tightened up at the correct orientation. So some sort of a fixture is required. This happens to be the fixture that Trumpf provides with the machine. So the collar, the key on the collar drops into the keyway there, and then the arm comes up and holds the punch at the correct angle. And now we can tighten the collar on that punch. And then we're ready to use it. Now we can measure the length of the punch, put that in the control, and use it. The punch then has 3 millimeters of grind life. In contrast, the 2-for-1 system from Wilson Tool uses a punch holder with a collar built into it, and the key is built into that collar then, of course. And then a separate punch that goes in. The punch has a key on it and can be installed into this holder. And when you do that, it's keyed correctly. There is no need for the separate fixture. And now the punch can be run just like the traditional style Trumpf punch. We measure here, enter that into the control. We have 3 millimeters of grind life on this right now. And then once that 3 millimeters has been ground down, the 2-for-1 concept uses another 3 millimeter spacer that is inserted to extend the punch 3 millimeters, and we get another 3 millimeters of grind life out of that punch. That's the 2-for-1 concept. We make this, as with the traditional Trumpf style tool, there are 2 different sizes. We call this the size 1, and the size 2 is the larger size. So that's the basic concept. Please give us a call if you have more questions.